My name is Lori Taylor. I have been coming to the Med Gym about 6.5 years. Started coming here after I was released from physical therapy. I had sepsis. I fell down my flight of stairs. My L5 vertebrae moved out of place and caused swelling. I lost the use of my arms and legs for over a month. After they saved me from sepsis, they put me in a nursing home, and I was there a couple months. So when I came to the Med Gym, I was just getting off a cane, continue my journey to regain mobility. If I had stopped when I was released from PT, I don't know where I would be now. It's amazing. I give full credit to the mobility I have today, to David and the Med Gym. Made many friends here. I encourage anyone who is struggling with something physically to consider coming to the Med Gym because it saved me.